Patients at Javon Bea Hospital got a little surprise this Halloween as they were welcomed by several four-legged friends.
Several dogs dressed up in costumes ranging from a bumblebee to a king visiting each of the patient's room. All of the dogs are certified therapy dogs. Hospital leaders say the dogs visiting patients is a way to reduce stress, also reduce high blood pressure, and it helps take the mind off of what medical issues the patients are going through.
It helps the patients with their stress level, their anxiety. It helps lower their blood pressure, and it just definitely brings a smile to the patient and just lets them forget their problems if they are having